In previous videos, we talked about the frustration that comes from Romans 12:2 that says, "Be transformed by the renewing of your mind." If no one has told you how to do it, you feel frustrated and stuck. So many Christians feel this way, but they're ashamed to admit it. And I know how common the feeling is from my years of talking to Christians in my mental health clinic.
And I've seen the same thing in my prayer ministry appointments. But we've also seen the dramatic improvements that come when people walk with us through the transformation pathway to renew their mind. And that's why we've created these videos to introduce you to Free Your Mind, our online video personal transformation program.
In the first video, we explained that there are 3 parts to humans: body, personality, and spirit. Each part has a big impact on how you think, feel, and relate to others. In the last video, you learned how mood disorders like depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder cause a loss of thought control, so you can't shut your mind off from thoughts you don't want. Medications can boost your serotonin level and restore your thought control.
And in this video, we'll discuss how your personality influences your thoughts and behavior. Your personality is shaped by 2 things: the events of your past, and more importantly, the conclusions that you have made about those events. Those memories and conclusions fill your emotional baggage.
If you had a very difficult past with a lot of painful memories, then you would believe a lot of lies about yourself, like, "I'm a loser, I'll never amount to anything, no one loves me, I have to perform to get any attention."
And all of these lies can have a huge impact on how you think about yourself, feel, and relate to other people. And Satan just loves that because he's the one who whispered the lies into your ear when you were hurting, usually when you were a child, and then he keeps those lies active so that you are always struggling, tense, and in emotional pain.
God wants to heal your personality so you can achieve your goal of being relaxed and content with a clear mind, concentrating, in control of your thoughts, and with great relationships. Imagine how much better your life will be when that happens.
But to get to that goal, you have to unload your baggage. And to do that, you need to allow God to heal up the wounds of your past, expose and extract all of the lies that you believe about yourself or him, and replace them with his truth about who you really are.
In the Free Your Mind online video program, we will walk you through that process so you can be transformed with a renewed mind. Head knowledge doesn't change anyone, but when you have an encounter with God, he can do what you thought was impossible.
But the big question is, are you willing to take the steps to reach your goals of peace of mind, great relationships, and a close personal walk with God? Don't stay stuck. God is waiting to help you when you give him permission.
So come and join us in the Free Your Mind program. Just click on the link on this page to register, and we'd love to work with you. And email me if you have any questions.